The amount of things that you get out of the program, whether it's personal or career-oriented, it is unlike any other experience.
Over the last 5 years, the Pennsylvania Outdoor Corps has provided an incredible benefit to Pennsylvania, not only through an incredible amount of projects being accomplished in our state parks, our state forests, and our local communities, but by serving the young people that we work with through skill development, job readiness, and even job placement.
One of the things that's great about the SEA season, whether it's 6 weeks with the youth or 10 months with the adults, you get to try your hand at a lot of different skills. You get to visit a lot of different places. And I think it's a rare job where if there's one thing you're doing one week that you really don't like, it's not a big deal, because in all likelihood the next week you're doing something totally different.
Conservation is the forever business, and we recognize the need to have young people coming in behind us to take care of the forests, the parks, the trails, the things that our generation has built up and worked on and conserved for Pennsylvania's public.
Meet new people that are like-minded, that are interested in the same things that you are. You get a really good chance to actually do hands-on work in an area that you care about. And it's a really good stepping stone to get your foot in the door for future DCNR positions.
It's amazing what they've been able to accomplish and the commitment that they have to the projects. I think they've achieved more than anybody thought they would be able to achieve. So it's been very enlightening and very motivating for not just the Corps members, but for the people that are working alongside of them and learning about what they do.
Hands-on training programs like the Pennsylvania Outdoor Corps provide their participants with the opportunity to directly work not just with the tools and materials of their craft, but also to have a first-person view of the impact of their work.
I think this is an amazing opportunity. I think that especially for younger people, if they don't know what they want to do, but they know that they want to be outside, I think this is a very important first step that they should kind of get into, because there's so many connections, there's so many different doors that, different paths that you can take.
From using tools for the first time, problem solving, but really the main thing that we want them to take with them is a conservation ethic. We try to instill that in each of our members, and we hope that they carry that for a lifetime.
Whenever you speak of empowering young people, it's really important to involve them, and we do that in the PA Outdoor Corps by involving our members in hands-on projects. So the hope is that when they get in there and they get their hands dirty and actually build something, that will empower them to want to go on either into conservation careers or come back and do it again the next year.
Our staff are very motivated to help the next generation of conservationists, because I think our staff recognizes that we need to have people coming in behind us to do the great work that we are blessed to do every day.